Basically, we were building Prezi and the spread of Prezi's success on the word of mouth. As more and more people started to use Prezi, more and more people saw people using Prezi, and as it is a great tool, more and more people wanted to use Prezi. So this is something which happens similar to what social media does when you share something and your friends also see and shares it. So this is what we were building on, and we were also looking for momentum when something big could happen to us, and it was like when Bono from U2 used Prezi for his TED Talk. And yep, this is basically the strategy. One of the first steps which helped us to be recognized or be heard by more people was a piece written by TechCrunch. And it was after a pitching contest, a Next Web conference in Amsterdam, where our CEO gave a presentation about Prezi, and the TechCrunch came with a headline, the coolest presentation tool I've ever seen. That was a big boom, that helped us a lot. We had a great tool, so we were not pitching the journalists, we were not paying for the journalists, we were not coaching them. He just saw the presentation, he just saw the software, and he thought really that this is the greatest presentation tool he ever saw. Prezi.com started in 2009 in April. Currently we have more than 45 million users, and the pace of the new users, the growing, is 1.2 million new users per month, and Prezi is used all over the world in more than 190 countries, and basically every second 2 new Prezi is created. We have a Facebook site, we have Twitter site, and the other thing that you can comment under each Prezi and you can share the Prezis. So if someone has a great Prezi, you can share it on any social site, and you can earn some reputation within a community by having a great Prezi, and you can share your ideas with others, and it hopefully inspires others not only to use Prezi but share their ideas with others as well. Prezi is using a freemium business model, which means that as long as you are willing to share all your presentations with others, means that you are willing to have your presentations public, it's for free, you don't need to pay it. If you want to have your presentations private, then you can choose 2 other licenses what you need to pay for. Prezi uses visual landmarks just like the human brains. So you can have your story, you can zoom into the details, show the relations between the things, then zoom out and show the big picture. We had a strategic decision to open up an office in San Francisco a few months after Prezi.com has started. So we have an office in San Francisco where we have 70 people working, and we have another office in Budapest with 170 people working. And we are really recruiting a diverse community, which means that in Budapest, for example, there are people from 26 countries all over the world.